Hey there, keto warriors. If you've been following the ketogenic lifestyle, or even just considering it, there's one simple but powerful habit that can make a huge difference in your success, and it's not what you eat. Today, I want to talk about gratitude and why expressing it on a regular basis can actually make keto easier, more enjoyable, and way more sustainable for you. Number one, it's important to celebrate those small wins. Every time you stick to your plan, make a healthy choice, or resist temptation, that's a win. But most of us rush past those moments without pausing to really appreciate them and savor them. Gratitude allows you to acknowledge those small victories and build confidence. Maybe you skipped the bread or pasta at dinner. Maybe you finally made it through the day without those sugar cravings. Those wins really matter. Be thankful for them. Number two, reflect on non-scale victories. Keto isn't just about the weight loss. It's about feeling better, more energy, better sleep, mental clarity, mood stability. When you take time to be thankful for those non-scale victories, you shift your focus from the number on the scale to the bigger picture of your overall health, which is very crucial. That mindset can keep you going even when the scale doesn't move. Number three, be sure to write down what goes on with you during the week. Start a simple gratitude journal. Just write down 3 things each day you're thankful for, related to your health, your progress, your family, your overall life. It takes less than 2 minutes to do and trains your brain to focus on what's really working for you in your life. And when you're focused on what's going right, you'll stay more motivated and consistent with your keto journey. So if you're already taking on the keto lifestyle and want to get more sustainability to the next level, just don't take into account your carbs. Track your gratitude. You'll be amazed at the difference it makes in your life and the sustainability of your keto lifestyle. Drop a comment below. What's one thing you're really grateful for? And if you liked this video, please subscribe, like it, recommend it to friends, family, and acquaintances. I truly would be appreciative. See you on the next one.